Hello guys, I'm going to be talking about a rundown of this my channel. It's my African folktale channel, the views I've been able to get and how much I've been able to get since I opened this channel. So let's just dive right into it. I opened this channel January 2024. As at now, April 18, I've been able to get 108,000 views, and the highest so far is 31.33k, then 5.8, 5.1, 5.1k, 3.7k, 2.2, 2k, 2k, 1k, 1.5, 1.3, 1.2. Sorry. For the watch hour this channel I've been able to get is 7.67k views, so 7k views, which obviously the most viewed was what brought the most watch hour, and that's 3.7k watch hour, followed by the the next video 700 watch hour, 600, 500, 300, 100, 100, 83, 81, 86. I'm having fun with this. So for the subscriber from this channel, I've been able to get 1.3k subscribers. Obviously the most viewed brought the most subscriber, and that's 499. Please, someone to make this particular video 500. Which one is 499? We don't do that here. Let's do a round figure. So someone should go and search for the dark secret of a school matron, a deadly ritual exposed, and watch the video for me. Let the video surpass 499. I want it to like reach 500. Thank you so much. And then like that. So for the revenue, that's why I yell. Let's see how much I've been able to pay for 100k views. You'll be shocked, but don't be shocked, because this channel, except those that went viral, the channel is always having less than 100, less than 200, less than 500 views. So definitely the amount is not going to make sense. So the amount you are seeing here, it is from the most viewed video and other ones that are less than 10k views gathered up together, and the 0.0 cents then makes it $28.22. So I've been able to get $28.22, which is really nice, because I know it will take time, because this channel, like I said, is struggling. Why it has over 1k views and over 4,000 watch hour, why the channel is even monetized, is because of a particular video that just the other video that I've been uploading after that, and that's like last year September, less than 1,000, less than 500, less than 100. Those are the views I'm getting. So I know it's a slow growth, but the fact that I'm monetized is like, thank God. We'll get there one day. But the amazing thing is I'm also getting paid. How am I getting paid when I don't have my threshold? That's going to be in another video. Do well to subscribe to this channel, because I upload practical growth tips that can help you in your YouTube journey. And see you in my next video. Bye.